My name is John Martin. I am a Faber worker. I've been with the company 4 years. I've been on this project almost 2 long years. It's been great. I do a lot of damage and control around this facility. My job details is just to chip away some shotcrete concrete that was extra pour over that wall. I chip it, I cut the steel, I dug the trench.
My name is Claudia Valázquez. I'm with Faber Work, and I'm here with temp construction. My role here is sanitizing, go around the site and cleaning and make sure everything is clean. Faber has given me the opportunity to land in a job like this. Also got me more opportunity to work on construction if I want.
Instead of going, say, to a temp agency like most guys do, what a waste of time. Like, that's just time wasted, right? When you can actually get to a job site, go into work, boom, 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 done deal. Anybody else searching for a great job, good career trade, join Faber.